You have started promoting your product on social media, but do you have that right social media marketing strategy? Because until you have that social media strategy, then you are going to fall in the long run. In this video, I will exactly talk about how you can set up your social media marketing strategy with the right framework, right strategy, and right mindset. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Rohon, Mitra, and in this channel we discuss about marketing tips, tricks and strategies. So if you are new here, consider subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Also, if you are watching me on Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram, make sure you follow. So whenever I upload any video on any of this platform, then you will get notified. We will divide this strategy in a major 7 parts, and then we will discuss each and every part, each and every strategy in detail, so that you can note down every point and then you can implement those in your system so that you can have that massive engagement, massive conversion into your business. Number 1, choose your objective and goals. I think I don't have to tell you this in detail that obviously when you are in business, you need a proper goal, you need a proper objective. Why you are selling this product or why you are selling these services, what are the main goal you want to achieve and what is the main object you want to attract. So that means you have to focus on your objective and goal before you start any social media marketing campaign or any other marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and also time bound. That means your goal should be SMART. So make sure you have that clear idea about your goal and your objective. Otherwise, it's completely waste of time, waste of money to create your social media marketing strategy or any other strategy. So obviously, first thing, focus on your goal and on your objective. The second point that you need to focus is understanding your audience. Obviously, whatever business you are in, you need to know who is your ideal audience. Otherwise, you are going to target the wrong audience, wrong customer who are actually not interested in your product or services. That means you are going to waste your money and also waste all of your effort and times. So make sure you are focusing on your audience. You need to have that clear idea who you are gonna target. What's their age, the gender, the location, the industry, their average monthly income, each and everything. Just create a spreadsheet or any Google Doc or either pen and paper, take any pen and paper and just write down whom you are gonna target, who is the dream customer you are going to target, and just create a demographic according to your ideal customer. That way it will be more easier for you to create content, create all the marketing strategy based on that interest, based on that flavor. So you can use those flavor, whether it's for kids, so you can use those flavor, whether it's for any IT professional, whether it's for old people. So once you have that clear idea who is your customer, then you can easily create content, you can easily mix those flavor, mix those designs into your content, and you can easily start promoting your social media campaign. So make sure you have that clear idea about your audience. Otherwise, it will be waste of money and time. So once this 1 and 2 point done, next you have to understand who is your competitors. This is also very much important because who are the industry leaders, who are your competitors that you are going to compete. You must have that proper knowledge, proper idea, so that you can actually compete and you can actually understand what's running in the industry and what you should focus, what are the leak, what are the loophole that you can actually fulfill. So you must have that clear idea who is your competitors, and so that you can do a deep analysis on your competitors. The number 4 point that you can actually implement is just run any social media campaign audit. That way you can understand who is your customer and what they are looking for. You can easily understand what working and what's not, who is engaging with you, what network does your target audience use, is your audience is actually on this social media, or how they are using this platform, or can you use this platform to help achieve your goals. So these are the simple questions that you can ask. You can run poll, you can just manually ask your customers, so that you have that idea that whether your marketing strategy going in a right direction or in a wrong direction, and you can modify or you can create content based on this audit. So once you have that clear idea about your goal and objective, your audience, your competitors, and also the social media run audit, so you have that proper idea, you have that proper design that you can post on your social media, and you can start running this campaign. Now it's time for the fifth, that is creating a social media calendar. Now you have to create a calendar which time you are posting each and every content. You have to map out, you have to plan each and everything, whether you are posting in on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, on each and everything. You have to first plan each and everything on which time you are going to post, which date is perfect for you, what are your consistency, or weekly basis, monthly basis, daily basis. Each and everything you have to plan, and you have to create a social media calendar for yourself. You can also determine the right content mix, like 50% of your content will drive traffic that back to your website. Your 25% of content can be curated from other sources that you can credit them also. Your 20% of content can support lead generation goals, like for any newsletter signups, ebooks or downloads, etc. And your 5% of content can be about your company culture. And also one more thing, that remember that don't post too much in a day, that can annoy your audience. And also don't post too much little, like once in a month or once in a week, that also disappears. So your audience did not find you who you are, either you are consistent, honest, either you are active on social media or not. So maintain a balance on your social media posting, so that you can post a relevant content and that your audience can engage with you properly. So the number 6 point is content research and content creation. Obviously, once you have each and everything ready, now it's time for research. What's the content you are going to post and publish, and also content creation. That includes all the text, all the design, each and everything that you are going to post, whether it could be any text post, any carousel post, any video post, any long form video, any audio format like podcast, each and everything it could be. So first of all, you have to research your content, what's the valuable content that your customer should consume, and also then create that content and then publish this on the social medias. So you have to do this in a consistently, so that you can engage with your audience, and also make sure you are posting the valuable content, so that your customer can actually consume those, and also your customer can engage with you and your brand. The 7th point, which is very much important in the advanced level, that is track your performance and then modify accordingly. So let's suppose you have followed each and every point from 1 to 6, and now you have started posting your content in a particular consistent manner. Now you have to check your performance, you have to check the audience data, whether your followers are gaining, whether the customers are engaging with the content or not. You have to track each and everything, and whether you are getting this traffic on your website or not. Then you have to understand what are the error you are doing, what are the major issues that you still have. Then you have to improve those. You have to improve your content format, you have to improve every time your content, so that you can make it better each and every time. It's obviously based on the practice, based on the consistency basis. So you cannot make a perfect one on the first time. Obviously your first one maybe a little bit boring, but you have to then improve yourself. You have to improve your brand content gradually. So most importantly, track each and every performance and then modify them accordingly, so that you can improve gradually, and also you can increase the conversion rate, and you can do a good sales and good business with the social media marketing strategy. So these are the all total 7 points that you have to focus. You have to create a framework so that you can work on it smoothly. You don't have to worry about each and everything every time. So at the starting, just create a framework and then start working on it on a consistency basis. If you are a large company, then obviously create a team so that each and every member can handle each and every part. If you are in small business, then obviously either you can hire one freelancer or agency who can work each this part by themselves, or if you are doing this by yourself, then it's not that much difficult. You just have to follow each and every instruction. Just simple way, you have to first understand your goals, and then audience, then competitor analysis, and then start posting your content on a consistency basis. So you have to map out this, and you have to start focusing on the framework. Once you set the framework, like what should be your design flavor, the color concept, what should be your post format, then you can easily start posting this on a consistency basis. So that's it for this video. I hope this video gonna help you a lot to understand and plan your social media marketing strategy. If you have any query, then either comment below or you can reach out to me on any of the social media. I will definitely help you. That's it for this video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also you can share this video to your friends or office colleagues or business colleagues if this is gonna help them as well. And I'll see you on next video.